loves, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm here to do a makeup tutorial. I'm doing it on mature skin over 50, and I want you guys to see how I apply this foundation and all the other products that I got to go with this foundation. And these foundations are from Fenty Beauty. And yes, I am a little bit late. It's been, maybe 3 months since she launched her line of products, makeup products. And so, yeah. And I didn't get a chance to get her foundation when it first launched, but I did get a chance to get all the other products that I wanted. So, I finally got a chance to get my hands on the foundation. I know it's probably been a month, but I've been real busy with work and I just haven't been feeling YouTube really, just far as doing videos. So you guys, I'm gonna come back real strong, full force the month of January, and I'm gonna be putting out more content, and I want you guys to really follow me, share my videos, please guys. I need your support. So yeah, today I'm going to share with you guys this makeup tutorial, and I'll be using the Fenty Beauty products. And I did get two foundations, so I really wasn't sure which one to purchase because I wasn't sure which one would match my skin tone. So I'm really a warm undertone. Maybe a warm or cool, I guess. And I did get a chance to get my hand on 390 and 370. And I did mix these two, but really the 370 is a little bit lighter. You know what guys, I did think about that I can use the 370 as a highlighter under my eyes, and I did try that, and I did like the way it did look. You know, Fenty Beauty is a soft matte foundation, and me, I like more of a satin finish look, but I'm thinking about ordering some, I think it's called Fasacia oil. I'll have it somewhere here on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. They sell it at Sephora, I think. And I want to try that with this foundation because I don't really like for my foundation to be very matte. Since I'm, you know, maturing, I'd rather have satin finish foundations. So yeah, so I'm in the process of now purchasing some satin finish foundations. And if any of you guys have any recommendations down that you know of, comment down below and let me know which foundations that are satin finish. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what I got. I did get the kilowatt, and I got mine in the Girl Next Door and Chic Creek, and this is it here. And I know a lot of you guys probably done seen a ton of videos on Fenty Beauty, and I'm just sharing mine, and I'm not going to go through everything because I know you probably have already heard these same things. And I did get the trio sticks, and I got the one that had truffle, caramel, and rum. I did get those. So here are those trio sticks. And I did get an extra one, and I think I got it in latte. I got that one. And I'm not quite sure, it's latte a little bit, I can't remember right offhand, but I did get that one. I have it here, right here. And I did get Universal lip gloss, which is, what is it called? Fenty Glow. I did get that, and I love it, I love it, I love it guys. It's very beautiful on. And I also did get the Pro Filter Primer. Yes, I had to have that. But I also, like I mentioned, I want to get that Fasacia. I might not be pronouncing that correctly, guys. And please forgive me if I'm not. But I want to get that all along to go along with this foundation since I don't want. And I do have this here all by City Color, and I got it off the Hush.com website. And this here is it. It is just a glow primer oil, and it says it's non-greasy, light shimmer, and vitamin enriched. So I do try this a lot, but I need to really try with this foundation because it's very, very, very matte, and I don't really want my foundation to be real matte. So yeah, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started in this video. And while you're here, please don't forget to subscribe to your girl, and also hit on that notification bell down below so you guys can be notified whenever I upload videos. So we're gonna jump right into this video, so let's get started. Well, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start off sharing with you guys the eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna use, the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette. And this palette here retails for $27. I'm thinking $27 at Sephora. So I got the mauve palette and I have the warm brown palette. And this here's the warm brown, and I'm going to use this today. And this is a little small compact palette, which is great for traveling. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys what it looks like. I have used this palette, and these here are the shades. But we do have a lot of warm tones in here. And these are some of the tones that shades that I always use practically in all of my videos. I don't know, it just goes well with my skin tone. So I'm going to apply these shadows to my eyes, and I'm not quite sure what look I want to do, but I'm going to go ahead and do that look. And I also do a voiceover. I don't want to just talk through the video because I don't really want this video to be that long. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So yeah, guys. So with this warm Huda Beauty palette here, I'm just taking that lighter tan shade and applying it as my transition shade, and that ivory color as my brow bone. And I'm going to go ahead and dip into 2 of those shades there, and just going to apply that all in my crease area and above my crease, and also on my lid as well, so everything can blend, transition just nicely. And just making sure it is blended well. And I'm taking that orange shade and I'm applying it right there in the crease area of my eye and blend it. So now I'm just going to take that shade there that I just shared and kind of darkening that outer V, taking it into my crease area. So you'll see where I'll be going back and forth, kind of building my shadows and making sure that it transitions well. And I'm going to make sure that outer V part is deepened, so it can give me a little depth back into my eyeshadow look. And here I forgot to share with you guys, my camera just cut off. So here I'm applying the gold shadow that's in that palette and applying it to my lid. And I'm using my fingers because it applies well with your fingers. And now I'm just blending everything out. And then I'm kind of deepening that outer V again. Now here we're taking the Pro Filter primer by Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting because I do have some pigmentation just from some acne scars that I had years ago. A little bit of discoloration around my mouth. I don't have it that bad, but I just kind of like to use color correcting every now and then. So, yeah. Now here are the two shades, and I'm going to mix both of these shades, 390 and 370. So this here is my Sigma flat kabuki brush, and I love this brush, guys. It applies well. It applies the foundation well, guys. And I do use a beauty blender as well, but I did use my oil to go with this to kind of make it blend out a little bit better and won't dry out as fast, because this foundation do dry out a little bit faster. And I'm adding just another layer of this foundation, just a small amount, where I see where some of my this old pigmentation is seeping through. So I just wanted to build it because it is buildable. But I also at the same time want to keep it a little bit natural. So I didn't get to share me applying my concealer because my camera cut off again. And I'm using the caramel from the Fenty Beauty. And I have truffle around the perimeters of my face, and also on my, to carve out my cheekbones. And I'm going to continue blending and just getting most of it before it tries to dry out on me. And this is a strippling brush that I'm using by e.l.f. So I love this brush. It blends out, you know, your contour products real good. So here I'm just setting those areas where I applied the cream contour. And with this Laura Mercier, I'm going ahead and set those areas where I did the highlighting. So here I have rum, and I'm just trying to see what it's gonna look like on my face. I was intending to put it on before I did any of my settings, so I just seeing what it's gonna look like. It's really just something that's natural if you're not looking for a huge wham bam highlighting look. So I'm gonna take my Kilowatt Chic Freak, and I think it's, I can't remember the name of it, but I mentioned it earlier before. And I'm gonna go ahead and take those shades that I use for my crease area and apply to my bottom lash line. So I went ahead and applied some lashes off camera, guys. Still trying. So I'm taking here my, I think it might have been my NYX lip liner, and I think it's in Cocoa. And here's my FENTY Glow lip gloss, which is the bomb, guys. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply Too Faced Born This Away mascara to my bottom lash line. I don't really like to use this for my bottom lash line. I love using the L'Oreal out of that. So guys, this here's the finished look. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And comment down below if you like this look as well. Bye guys.